Hi there, this is Fixed It. In this time of COVID when you can't go out, it's really bad when a pair of glasses comes apart. When you put the screw back inside like this, you discover that it just spins around and around and around, and you know it's going to drop out again, which means you're going to end up losing it and losing the arm. Now obviously you could go to an optometrist and get them to fix it when you're not in COVID-19 lockdown, but you can't do that now. So here's a simple fix. Just unscrew it and take the screw out. If you have any 5-second glue lying around, get a single drop of your 5-second glue and drop it into the hole. So it's in the hole. Now what you want to do is to put the screw back in place. Now put the screw back in the hole and start to screw it up. Okay, so I haven't put that in all the way. It's still sticking up, and then get another drop of the glue and just drip it round the thread, just there, like that. And now screw it down gently, and before it's fully down, get your UV light source that comes with it and put that on the glue and the screw, just for a few seconds. Okay, turn it off. Now screw it down and you'll already feel that it's biting quite well. And get your UV again and put the UV on the screw itself, and then also put the UV round the edge so you're actually looking into it, and then move the arm. Okay, open the arm and put the UV on it again. And now if you get the screwdriver and just gently turn it, you'll see that it's completely and utterly fastened in there. No glue coming off on my finger. Now the thing to do is, before you use these, leave them overnight, because what you want is, you want the remaining glue that's inside the thread that started to set, and when you come back tomorrow, that screw will be held firmly in place and it will have re-threaded the glasses, and it's not going to come out until you screw it hard. Okay, so that's a repaired pair of glasses. No risk of the screw coming out. I hope you like the video. Please subscribe to the channel and share it with friends, because they too may be breaking glasses during the COVID-19 problem. Hope you like the video. Thanks for watching. Bye.